Hello from Las Vegas. I'm Sangamitra Vankire, working as product manager at KATBOTZ. We are at the last leg of our journey at SAP Insider 2026, and what an interesting week it was. We came here with a bunch of young talent, attending sessions, gaining insights on how SAP is heading towards becoming an intelligent enterprise platform. So, let's not take much time and hear from them how their experience was and what interested them the most. We'll start with Shart Dhal.
Thank you, Sangnitra. My name is Shart Dhal, and I'm working at KATBOTZ as a software developer intern. And I specialize in the working with machine learning systems. And in this SAP Insider event, I loved uh, a lot of things. One of the best things that I loved was the networking event, where I got to meet a lot of people, specifically researching in machine learning and more specifically in that deep learning, where people were really excited to talk about large language models and how it can be implemented in SAP systems or maybe just in general as well. So because AI is growing as a field, whether it's robotics, computer vision, or just text analyzing techniques that are used. So in that, I loved that people were really research oriented and expressed a lot of academic depth into what they were saying. So yeah, with that, uh, it was a lovely event. Thank you.
Awesome. Thanks for sharing.
Yeah.
Maybe we'll move on to Kea.
Yes.
Thank you, Sangamitra. So, yes, hi, my name is Gulab, and I work with KATBOTZ as a developer. And this week was really nice. And so, one thing that interested me the most was when I met a group of diverse, lovely, talented women who helped me teach that how you can overcome imposter syndrome, which I've been feeling for a long time, and how you can build up skills and like talk to people and understand them. It all starts with empathy, and then you build up on that. So I think that helped me a lot in my personal and professional life. So I think that was my biggest takeaway from it. Thank you. My
So maybe I'll pass it on to Karthik.
Thanks, Sangmitra. So my name is Karthik and Koju. I'm a business and a data analyst working at KATBOTZ. So I'm more of a business kind of a guy and helping Ashish with other cool stuff that he's implementing. And I'm also thanks to Sangmitra like for introducing me to the PMO stuff and sort of pushing me towards that new route which I never explored in Vegas. Like it's been a hell of a week, I would say. Like we enjoyed a lot at the conference. Like firstly, thanks Ashish like for bringing this back together, and networking is something I always wanted to do from the very beginning of my professional career, and it actually helped me to overcome my insecurities, like talking to strangers and discuss my work and to listen what exactly they have achieved. So thank you so much, Ashish, for that. And yeah, the sessions were amazing. AI sessions related to AI, SAP Joule, and data analysis and stuff. So it was actually a very cool conference wherein I learned most of the things, like what exactly is happening in the corporate market here in the US, which is a little bit different back in India again. Yeah, so that's it. So I'll pass it on to Ashish now.
Uh,
Thank you,
Thank you
Karthik.
so much, Karthik, and for all of you to be here. Our intent of getting all of you here is for you guys to meet like so many amazing people, and I've personally like presented at SAP Insider, and it really helped me like grow in my career in a way to go to SAP forums and amazing opportunities we get, and there are so much diverse and very deep talent available, in this ecosystem. So this ecosystem is solving the most complex challenges in the world, right? And now it's bringing AI to the right place. I mean, to the real life business cases, right? So just a
Thank
fun fact: he's a very great dancer, and he makes life very easy for us. And by the way, like he's a person behind the scenes for the website himself, like Karthik, Kea, Khushbu, and Sangamitra, always keeping the things together. So Sangamitra has been like amazing marketing support, product manager, and many things in one. She's from Carnegie Mellon, like amazing college. Kia has been like spearheading. She did the website part, but like really passionately getting so many things done behind the scenes, even though she's very modest, but amazing contributions. And then Shart Dhal is our LLM guy, but he's got many more ideas, and I'm so excited. I'm sure you're going to be like so successful. And for like in general, right? Apart from the fun stuff we're doing in Vegas, I'm looking forward to like seeing like how you guys grow. And I want to hear from Sangmitra, how was your conference and what you did in Vegas? Tell us more.
Yes, so just to summarize it, apart from attending sessions and networking, I think it was a pulse check that SAP is not an ERP system now. It is more than that, and it is going towards becoming an intelligent platform.
Yeah.
And also, if I say one word which I take out of this conference, and what people are doing, what other companies, SAP is doing, is actionable AI. SAP AI is not just a word now. People are actually executing it. They're really working on the real time business scenarios, from AI to BTP to all the innovation which is happening. The real business case scenarios are getting implemented, and they're coming up with all the MVPs, which will be the backbone of the AI future which we will be having. So that is what my take was. I went to a lot of booths. I got a lot of demos on how the products are. So that was amazing to understand.
Oh, that's really cool, Sangmitra. Very good insights, and I'm glad we all here. And I just want to thank our customers and our team, which is behind the scenes and doing so many amazing things. And we almost like scale up to like 160 people already in the past 2 years, and our network around us, which is like really amazing talent. So like about 500 people, which are very closely like we're in touch with them. So I'm looking forward to making AI real based on what the SAP ecosystem is providing and some real tools that SAP is providing for us to make that real. And of course, the talent equation always stays, right? You're all going to make it happen. So let's go back and get to work, roll up our sleeves, and make the things happen. So, does anyone want to say anything before we close? Or Sangeeta, you're the coordinator.
So, firstly, Ashish, thanks for the great introduction for me. Like, I'm a good dancer. Thanks for that. So, one more thing, like, whatever happens in Vegas stays in Vegas,
Okay.
apart from the conference things. So,
I totally agree with you, Karthik. But yes, it was an amazing experience being here. Thank you, Ashish, for getting us here. And really great people, nice networking, nice food. So, yes, I'm looking forward for next year as well for maybe a piece of fire. So,
Thank you very much, Ashish, for making this happen. And thank you to each and every one of our team members. Vrinda, who's at the back, Ashish, Karthik, Sangmitra, Kea, and an entire workforce of all the people who are behind us to make this happen and give us all the power and goodwill to actually carry this out. So thank you to each and every one of them.
yes.
So
To you,
yeah,
Sangeeta.
so I think it's a wrap, and thank you, Ashish, for making it happen, bringing us to Vegas, a city where we are experiencing conference with the all the bright lights of Vegas. Thank you, everyone.
Bye.